Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the pTron Bassbuds Pro True Wireless Earphones, and today we're going to look at the earphones and some features it has and also its build quality. So let's look at the box itself first. So we have a pretty standard small blue box, blue and white box, and at the back we have some of its specifications. It has a wireless connection and a Bluetooth range of around 10 meters or 33 feet. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. It also has a music playtime of about 4 hours on the buds, and the charging time of the buds is about 1.5 hours. The other features includes a bass-forward sound profile, hands-free calling, and 1-year warranty. So without much further ado, let's look at the earphones themselves and see what we have right here. So the first thing you'll notice when you look at the pTron Bassbuds charging case is how very small it is. It's a tiny, very compact charging case for true wireless earphones. Most true wireless earphones are much bigger than this, so it's great that pTron has managed to fit the earphones as well as the battery for the charging case in such a compact form factor. It's a matte black finish which feels really nice in the hand even though it's made out of plastic. Another great thing about these earphones is it does have Type-C charging, which means that you don't have to carry around two charging cables in case your phone has a Type-C but the earphones have a micro USB. One thing, however, when you look at the charging case is that the box is slightly, it doesn't close all the way. So you can see this slight crack here. It doesn't exactly sit flush with each other, which looks a bit odd and is a bit rickety. Also, when you open and close the box, you'll feel no real magnetic feel of the lid. This is probably because the earphones may be a bit too big for the box, or the magnets they have integrated aren't strong enough. However, when you do turn it around and try to open it up, it doesn't open up, which is great, but it still feels rickety and rather, it feels a little bit less premium because of this defect, and the lack of snap when you close the charging box is a little bit disappointing. Anyhow, you have the pTron logo right here, and let's look at the charging case from the inside. So inside you can see it again has a matte black finish and a glossy black finish in here for the indents. You see the earphones themselves that are jutting out, and you also see a little display here which gives you the battery life remaining on the charging case. It doesn't just show you the roundabout figure, but it shows you the accurate figure. So right now we have 99% of charge remaining on the charging case, which is great to know. You also have right and left indicators right here that you can look at to know which earphone goes where, and the earphones just can be put in and they stick in a rather flimsy manner because the magnets here too are not as strong. So that seems to be like the overlying theme of this product, the magnets being a little bit insecure. So let's take these earphones out and keep the charging case aside. So right now you can see that there's quite a snap. So the magnets are working well now, but because the earphones are a little bit protrudy, they don't seem to close well in here. So you need to kind of push the earphones in and then close them to get the proper fit. So there you go. Now let's take these out and look at them. So you can see they're a very rounded pair of earphones. They're in a pill capsule sort of shape, and at the back they have LEDs to let you know if they're in pairing mode. And here you can see the pTron logo as well as the golden magnetic pins, which allow you to stick the earphones into the charging case. They also have angled nozzle at 45 degrees, which will help them fit better in your ear. And that's about it for the earphones. They are pretty streamlined, pretty ergonomic, and very diminutive. So thank you so much for watching the overview of the pTron Bassbuds Pro True Wireless Earphones. We hope you enjoyed this video.